That was her first present. We should have had her open on tape.
Mommy?
Yep. Well, open your next.
You like it? Is it nice?
I'll try to get this out of the box. It's even more fun out of the box, Persephone.
Is she gonna say wow again? Probably not.
Wow, wow.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
See?
Very fancy.
Even though you're sick.
A big game.
What do you got?
Oh,
What do you got there, Eliza? Let's see. Eliza, turn around. Let me see.
Look, I got this game.
What is it?
It's a...
Oh, that looks like a sandwich maker or something.
Yeah,
Yeah, I can make a lot of sandwiches.
Very fancy. Wow. Persephone, what do you have there?
This.
What is it? Ooh.
This is cute.
Oh.
I think this might be too much, John.